Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Masterclass with Tapar. This is a place for new age management skills and lifestyle tips for budding managers like you all. So, how you all doing? I am sure most of us still working from home like me, and we will be going to office supposedly at the year end or maybe next year. So today I will be talking about networking. I think which is the most important topic these days, as networking is the core of finding new opportunities and exploring them. But as we are all at home and our people are afraid of meeting each other a bit, so how we can do effectively networking from home. And I have read a fantastic article from a foreign magazine which I wanted to share with you, and along with my experience of networking during these 7 months. Before we even beginning, remember that you have to act sensibly as we are all going through tough phases and your approach will be watched and welcomed. The real goal of networking is to make connection with like-minded people. The benefit will obviously come later, so be patient. Playing golf is a perfect example how I do networking. The basic steps of doing virtual networking, you must have a online identity to start with. The first step is to consider how people perceive you when your name mentioned, what adjective comes to their mind. Be extrovert, subject matter expert, good communicator, or maybe a simply great leader. Everyone has a personal brand, and one should invest time to create those brands. Always give something away without looking for something in return. That's my motto of life. When things come back to you, you will be remembered. Believe me, ask for help. An easy way to forge connection and make the other person feel appreciated is to ask for help or advice. So let me talk about some steps that I have learned with you. First, expand your network as connection can come from any facet of your life, including your office group, your friend circle, your social media circle, or maybe your family and friends. The key to expanding network is to diversify. This is the truth because the people in your network are from similar education, race, or industry, and it is okay to join other group that you think you are not. Like finance people can join any CFO group, but they can also join any group related to artificial intelligence. Then go beyond countries, as now people aren't bound by the location or the time or the status which used to prevent earlier being able to attend conference or join after works events. Networking from home can even offer you a higher quality interaction because you are reaching out to someone intentionally, someone you have done a little research on, and not just striking up conversation with whoever you run into a maybe conference or a meeting or a event. Then introduction are the best way to meet someone is if a mutual connection can give you a introduction, but if you are reaching out to a person you have never met, then please read about that person and do some research about that. And if you're seeing some information, do your own research and ask the person opinion on what you have learned rather than asking any item to explain it all. Then, first impression, the way you present yourself can make the difference between receiving a response or being ignored. So, be positive and creative. First expression is the final and most the best one. And always send a brief summary of yours as it a quicker and more holistic view as compared to resume which focus on the career only. And then the follow up always do beyond a simple thanks. You circle back and tell them how their advice helped you. If the person recommended a book, then say what you have learned from it. And if you had a good conversation with someone, then tell them the person that you are impressed by this conversation. and always be in touch with them. Let know and move beyond the transition interaction to an ongoing dialogue. It can start with a simple list of possibilities, things that you can do for people in your network. Perhaps you can make a connection to an important partner in someone's field, or point to a little notice but most important new research paper. Even small thing, experts say, if done sincerely and are genuinely meaningful to the other person, can jumpstart your networking. Be more patient when you are looking for new opportunities or hoping to boost your career. This might be just the ticket. According to chief executive of a networking institute, networking is more important than ever. He said, a lot of people will be looking for work, and this can give you a competitive advantage. The key is to do with sensitivity and start with the goal of reaching out to new person each week, even if you feel satisfied with your existing contacts. In fact, the best time to invest in your network is when you are least need it. So by the time you require assistance, you have all the backup support with you. And always do to networking if you are well established in your domain. Always think before networking, what's my goal and what's the network that can help me to solve my problem, or maybe any issue that you might be facing that time. And how we do communicate with them is that is the going to engage them, and there is no right or wrong way to build a close network relationship. So, if the secret of building relationship is showing up, and how you treat your network today is going to determine whether or not you have a network when this pandemic is over. If you are not checking it with your network, change that today. So, friends, if you all like my thoughts, give my channel a huge thumbs up. It makes me high. Share it, subscribe it. Till I meet you next. Bye for now. Thank you.